Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are talking about 2 ingredient mask which we can use at your home and make by ourselves. These 2 ingredients are easily available at our home, so we can make our skin glowing for this festive season. So keep on watching. So friends, first mask is for brightening our skin. So we are taking 2 tablespoons of milk, and we are taking 1 tablespoon of tomato juice. So now friends, let's apply it with cotton ball onto our skin. So friends, we need a cotton ball to apply this mask. So dip into it. So friends, milk is helped to reduce the pigmentation of our face, and tomato is used to shrink our pores, which is very helpful for our skin. So that's make our skin very light and bright. So friends, allow it for the 5 minutes, then wash it off with the lukewarm water. So friends, that's the result of the tomato and milk. So friends, next mask is for get rid of oily skin. We are using a turmeric and a aloe vera gel. We are using a 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Turmeric has a very antibacterial properties which helps to reduce our acne from our skin, and aloe vera has a cooling properties which cool down our skin from any other problem. So let's take it. We are using 1 teaspoon of turmeric. This is the 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to add aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons. I'm using aloe vera gel from Forever Living. Mix it well. You can use any of the aloe vera gel. Gently apply it on your face. So friends, allow it for the 10 minutes, then wash off with the lukewarm water. So friends, next mask is for clear up our acne. We are using 2 tablespoons of honey. contains antioxidant properties and antibacterial properties. It helps to remove the dirt from the pores. And then we are using 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very good to fight with the acne properties and harmful bacteria. Apply it on your face. So friends, allow it for the 10 minutes, then wash it off with the lukewarm water. For the next mask, I am using honey and Nescafe Gold coffee. You can use any other coffee for this. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of, this is around 1.5 tablespoons of coffee. It is very good for tighten up our skin. So friend, that's the video all about the 2 ingredient mask. I hope you will like it. Do try at your home and like, share and subscribe to my channel for the further videos. Till then, bye.